nentoni one tonto no zikhona ezo zinto apha endlini saka simenzela umntwana ipati now seyijika ngobana hayi thina kazi thina sele
no, they even said, you know, which disturbed me. They even said, no, what if umntana orejwe epatini? I'm like, guys, do you understand the fact that it didn't happen because of what had transpired to uCwecwe? The party never happened.
apha endlini thina asizenzi ipati sasiyenza kuba igqiba 1 kuba noCwecwe naye wayisitsho into yobana naye ucela xa sekuyibirthday yakhe nayenzela ipati sasenzela abasazowenzela umntana kuphela saxhela yakho sithi sothenga nesoseji senze ne-wings senze nje uzuqonda izinto zepati. I can take a photo ndithi xa kwi-social media mntax zange futhi sazobe sixola nokwenza ipati apha endlini thina singabantu abacontent sihlala endlini. The only time mna ndiphuma apha endlini ndiphuma endlini ndihamba ndiye ecaweni ndiphuma endlini ndiye emsebenzini ndiphuma endlini ndihamba ndiye etawuni okanye ndihamba nefemeli sikhupha abantwana. That's all. Nothi thina sile couple ebhorayo thina.
Yes.
We are such a boring couple. Asinazo ne-friends asivakatshelwa thina i-friends zethu sidibana nazo efowunini then tell me khona nezilapha endlini ngoyi-friends they are coming all the way from eButterworth. Tell me ke hleli sisikathadi thina neshomi asingaba abantu abaneshomi as for utata ke akanankwashomi ke yena nkosi yam uhlala ne-colleagues zakhe kitchen mntana like utata ke yena iitshomi zakhe ndingathi zii-cousins zakhe akababoni nokubabona nani nena asinazokwazi itshomi thina umntwana khona kuba sekuthiwa uyasela mntu asekwazi buwenze ipati ubuzothatha umntwana othi inani mthatheni mdwenguleni.
Exactly.
So
now they are finding, you know what I picked up, Sisine, is that now because you exposed the fact that there was a party that was meant to happen because your son was turning 1 or something. So now they are saying, what if it's one of the people that came to the party? What party? The party didn't happen because this person was yes, we were preparing.
I want to say in Dobana mabakunikele tracksuit ne ngola hlobo babeyithathe ngalo. It doesn't matter because lomile, but you need that tracksuit ubana ize ngola hlobo yayihambe
exactly.
If ibuye ihlanjiwe, let us know in Boxby. We're gonna come back here live and then we announce another shutdown. Akho sikolo sizaqhubekeka apha umntana engekabikho right singekafumani justice yomntana because kaloku ngoku I think badlala back and forth and this is painful for us, painful for you mostly and painful for umntana because I was just saying that ngoku nobana this has changed life yomntana. Umntana kaziphina abe ngumntana lo bumzele and you have changed nawe as umzali uhlobo lilo and uxolele nantoni na for justice to be served and
ingonyama ngoku ndiyarhagama mntasa this is not me. Ayindim lona ayindim mna ndingumfazi nje nkosi yam live and othobekile but ndiyazazi uba ndi-live but umntu ohlonipha uyabona ngoku hayi mntase nguphumasile andikhathali nobubani uthini and mntase i-tracksuit yona noba igazi laliselomile but nayinokisa yayibigazi eli ndifuna i-tracksuit enegazi mntana. If alikho lo wayetha yena ulipolisakazi wathi mna ndandinxilile is the very same one owathi kwenye imeeting phaa ukuba niyambona uNomvula on Facebook owathi phaa kuNomvula ayisuka naloo tracksuit le ihlanjiwe yahlanjwa ngubani
molweni
wahlanjwa andithi kaloku waveza into yobana i-tracksuit ihlanjiwe yahlanjwa ngubani le mntana. Mna ndiyafuna mna ukuyazi uba i-tracksuit yomntanam iphi ndifuna i-tracksuit enegazi mna mntasi. If it means kumele ndihambe ndiyongena le emazweni ndiphethe loo tracksuit is fine but mna ndifuna i-tracksuit yomntanam. Ndiyabona I know ndilikholwa mntaksi kodwa ukuthakatha uba kumele ndikuqalile namhlanje ndizokuqala nothi ngomntana.
And we're with you mama.
Nothi ngomntanam.
Molweni bethu nani? Bendisecaweni. Mama kaCwecwe ndiyavuya that at least you are on this platform. This is very emotional. And ndizawucela kuwe. Don't allow this to be changed to any political thing. Because ngoku into abazayenza they are trying by ngoku pose abantu siyathetha on social media everyone. Now they want to turn it to a political arcade and of which it's not. I've written mna to principal wesikolo where my child is that izikolo ziyavulwa and the actual fact this happened to a private school. What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you going to keep quiet? We know we syllabus as against others, but to have a demonstration in front that your kids are with you because about 80% of the kids there, they are black kids. And it's worrisome that ngoku uzothiwa i-track suit ayabinagazi ihlanjwe ngubani phi ngeli xesha. And I'm so upset that the very same minister who was very bold and uyandonyanyisa esithi i-DNA has been taken ka-principal, only to find out there's only 3 people. If there's 3 people, must we know ukuthi ngutata, ngu-caretaker, ngu-driver. Uphi eka-principal? Where is it? Now they are playing this white supremacy kind of nonsense because now isikolo kwathini yintoni le esisikolo sibabambe ngayo, yintoni le power lo principal anayo. And I want to urge us, Tina, as parents, I don't care of race of anything, but all of us as parents, it's high time that we stand up for abantwana bethu and for uCwecwe. It's high time that we show ukuthi we are against this nonsense, because if sizokwenza kayi-1 and then we sit down, we must push every day. We must dedicate a day, whether it's going to be on a Wednesday or it's going to, but it must be a Cwecwe day, whereby all of us as parents, we go and we show ukuthi we are against the land. We want answers.
Yes.
It's not one person that wants answers. We all of us want answers. I've got umchana mna othathwa transport, goes to school, leaves home at 4:30. And now I am scared. I'm even saying to my sister, ndiyacela man, can somebody just transport umntana, use my car, transport umntana, wait esikolweni, because you don't know what happens. And my question is, isikolo kuthiwa umntana ubiziwe ngumprincipal to utshayela classes, which private school echayelisa abantwana classes?
I think I even mentioned the fact that she's paying fees for that. They are
as much as bale case le now say all over like it's national, ne? Why ingazuthatha case le case if it means kumele ithathiswe kwenye province mayiye bakithi. And I want to andithi docket ikwazile ukusuka from one person investigating officer wesihlanu ngoku the fifth. If it means kumele isuke emntaseni obiye eLimpopo nobiye Free State nobiye kodwa ayichinjwe iprogram. That's what I want. The only person who will assist us kulento mna endinethemba futhi kuye, and I know ba against yena ngumkhwanazi. Why bangaphathi idocket balinike umkhwanazi so that umkhwanazi ba investigate eqaleni, because ngoku badlala uhide and seek. And I was even not dear uminister premier wenu uthethe just because people on TikTok were calling out for him, and I was calling out for him naye uthulele ndoni when something happened last year. U-MEC waka education wase Eastern Cape uthulele ndoni. The very same minister ebe bold up, let's get rid of teachers, we don't have money, uthulele ndoni when they heard of this. Bayasibhanga man ababantu guys, bayasibhanga. And I am saying na I voted ANC, but I do not have after this. I am saying to myself, we voted for Izinja. True. Ababantu abakhathali mntana ona 7 years guys, 7-year-old. Now uzosixokisa sana uminister and boldly hayi izinto zithathiwe. EP, where is the sample ka number 4? Ziphi results ka number 4? And that's my girl.
Before we lose even umama kaCwecwe ku live, because I'm busy anytime. Watong.
For me, I just want to know if is it possible to move the case to have a different, like if you appoint a different investigator from other provinces to invite Umkhwanazi to lead the case, that it has got different people, not the one who are in the case now, because they are misleading people.
Thank you, Put.
Those people. Once we get each and every week, we get a wrong development, we don't know where to go, whom to follow. But if there's a procedures that we can do so that we appoint different people from the different provinces who are not attached to this school, even the principal, then we follow the procedures, then we make it happen. Because for now, on the other side, they are saying something which is far away from the case. This is not a political party. This is not something. This is a life of our children.
Exactly.
To make sure that they are protected, and we are the one to protect them.
Yabona apho izosifaka khona bhuti wami, apho izosifaka, sorry ngokuqala, apho izosifaka khona phansi kwebhasi emapoliseni kune-unit ne. So indaba ye-rape angeke yenziwe umuntu osebenza e-CSC, andanoba uyan-understanda na. Umuntu ofaka izitemps phaya osertifyayo akadili nendaba ye-rape. I-rape umuntu adila nayo bukwa FCS, which is lamaphoyisa la adila nge-rape, to be specific, that are well trained, because bona bangavela ngento ethi ke ngoku okay nithi masinikeze umkhwanazi, fine, but umkhwanazi mhlawumbe wey kwi-task force but zangatrainwe for this, yebo. So it's loo nto ilele kwalapha kuni ukuba nibe ne-strategy into yobana even if bani-approacha kanjalo nina nizophendula nithini, because i-crime regardless, let alone uba yona ine-sex phakathi nokudlwengulwa phakathi, but i-crime you need to be strategic kuyo yonke loo nto leyo. Because shaman ndifuna uxoka mna mntase thina sikho safe, nakusasa singaphuma kwi-headlines kuthiwe jonga usesihleli namhlanje ndithi mni-message zingangamndimile because kuthiwa hayi nantsi proof izoyithatha endaweni ethile, let's meet up uze wedwa. So you can tell ubana jonga kuyanyiwa ngoku.
Why izoyithatha wedwa iproof?
So I understand mntase zezinto ke ndifuna ukunixelela zona ukubana we just need to be so together. Asibamba nini bantasi?
Please be safe, Makaku.
But I believe
over a case in the
I believe in this case.
If you the case you to solve, we can find the person over a case because it's the one making case for baseless. Understand? Yeah. Without the person over the case will never go anywhere. If we find the person or is the one involved with the case, the time you report the case, we can find the solution. Because now these guys are playing with us. We don't know what we are going now. We are busy going this side and this side, but we don't know the truth. We need the person, because if the person get the bribe from the start. Because if you say Casey Lumba and this kun, who the person behind it?
Exactly.
You see, if someone behind this bus, and we need that person, or is the one make us like a stupid.
You know what?
If guys, you have to shut down everything in South Africa. You have to shut down because we cannot allow anyone go ahead about 7 years old. 7 years. No, that is wrong, guys.
You know, ended up the city because now we had to play tricks because we own the Amandot. But you know how be not a 12 week, ya 12 clear, ya fagis back ya because uti jonga, no we were at the end I needed to protect my child, but I felt as umzali ndili police was Julie Jack not betting ngeke. Lose angeke. I can't. So we are young Londo guys. Good luck. If we nina nifila all shobo. I think now I understand what nasifila kanjani. And people will be showing tantrums, abanye besenza content ngayo yonke lento of which ke shem andikhathalelanga guys thina sisengxakini andifuna ukhola sisengxakini but ngicela nesithandazele ngicela unikhuphe diva ntasendame ndo uyicoce kudala edifuna apha eminyango ne.
Okay, before nikhuphe ndicela xa kubuye i-tracksuit usazise noba wazisela and then we come back here so that we can organize us not I know to show live ishura ngabantu by 92 and then here we are 917 then singakwazi bana spread up shut down again because into ebalulekile kuba i-tracksuit ibuye ngolaa hlobo banike ngani.
Exactly, ndifuna injalo mna mntasi. And then bathi bona no akho samples but there is esisho kubana there is but ikhona mani into efunyenweyo but that shows uba there was skin contact wara ndabuza uba yona isebenza xa kutheni skin contact. Ndatshela ukuthi if ugqoke igawuni ndiyithathe igawuni ndiyinike wena then ifunyanwe endlini yakho igawuni xa seyithatha iyo test izawuvela i-DNA yam noba wena ubuyinxibile but izawusebenza phi loo nto leyo because loo nayo imele isebenze somewhere andiyitholi impendulo nkosi yam andiyifumani impendulo uyayi-understand otherwise diva kuzoba right ndifuna i-tracksuit yomntanam uyabona ngoku sesifuna igazi ngoku sifunela gazi lalisetracksuitini.
Please let us know i-tracksuit if bana kwakho ingasekule veki uzamele uba mayifumane i-tracksuit yakho so that you can be able ukwenza whatever
and we'll
with the politician having a tracksuit The politician having a tracksuit. Which one?
Mayibuye elebhu. If iseselebhu manyani, mayibuye elebhu. Because it is not in good hands.
Why the tracksuit have to go to Cape Town lab when it's clean?
No, guys, we also need to we need to also realize the fact we do not have not every province has the proper mechanism to do such test, right? So you find the reason why your daughter's tracksuit was sent in Cape Town is because Cape Town was the only province where they can do such tests. Do you understand? Mara, you can manipulate such. Mara, I'm saying the reason why it went there, it's because they had the proper materials to do such.
Nandi, I understand I'm but khona nomnyaka otshoyo ukuba bazofaka fake blood. Nandi azazi drops ezazipha kuba zingaphi.
Exactly.
Ndiyayibona igazi lisendaweni ethile laa ndawo lebhalwe age okanye kuthiwe 10 okanye ntoni ndiyazi kakuhle kwigazi.
And my thing is also they can also manipulate that because remember Western Cape is also held by DA. It's white people, so it's a lot. It's a lot.
No,
it's a lot.
Ukwazi uphinda ujongane nomntana, but I wish you all the best. We wish you all the best kulo live. Please let me know nobubhalile okanye wenze whatever communication onoyenza xa ufumana i-tracksuit and then so that we can arrange enye i-shutdown.
And just a quick one.
And thina we are here in Cape Town funeka iphumile i-tracksuit yomntana ilola hlobo obanike ngalo ayisokusho futhi funeka ibuye ilandlela thina
and also Diva, remember I had said Makaxoxo, please don't forget that we ask for your banking so that we can get support and whatever. Don't forget that part. Bank details so that we can just, as Africans, we want to do whatever we can in our power. If we know you said it's fine, medical aid, but we feel like we want to literally make this whole process easier or lighter for you because it's very heavy.
Nice. No, thank you so much. Diva, then tell her your time.
Because before they go to
okay, that's fine.
Okay, sure.
Pictures before a tracksuit is sent away. So on the docket there should be pictures of the tracksuit when they received it, and then can go buy and so ask for those pictures. Because they can't
pictures. Guys, if
have a good Sunday, man.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Bye.